In this video, I'll demonstrate how to easily change your Facebook password on your iPhone. Make sure to watch until the end to avoid any mistakes. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your iPhone. Once the app is open, tap on the menu icon to access the settings. In the menu, tap on the gear icon to navigate to Settings and Privacy. Next, tap on See More under Account Center. Then select Password and Security. Here you can change your password for your Facebook account. If you remember your current password, enter it in the first text field. If not, you can try to recover it using the options provided. You may need to scan your face to proceed. After verifying your current password or choosing a recover option, you'll need to create a new password. Enter the new password, re-enter it for confirmation, and then tap the button to proceed. If you can't remember your current password and there are no suggestions in the autofill, you can select Forgot your password to explore other recover options. You may receive a verification code via WhatsApp, email, SMS, or other methods. Enter the code in the text field provided and continue to generate a new password for your Facebook profile. Once you've set the new password, you can choose to log out of all devices by checking the option if needed. Finally, tap Next to complete the process. That's how you can easily change your Facebook password on an iPhone. Thanks for watching.